This is the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and you are looking at one of the finest foldable phones currently available on the market. There are some myths I'm here to dispel, and the Pixel Fold does not come close to the Galaxy Z Fold 5's claims. The limited cover display on the Galaxy Z Fold 5, while using the cover display, is a weakness of the device. Yes, it is a bit difficult to type on, but it is very easy to use with one hand, and while using Fold 5 on the go, the hold on the cover display is excellent. Despite the criticism Samsung receives about its cover display, the company has settled on this form factor for a significant reason. The main display on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is the 7.6-inch inner display, as it should be. If you've used a Pixel Fold, you've probably used the cover display 80% of the time, because it's wider and closer to a candy bar phone. As Z Fold 5 has a really good inner display, it resembles its predecessor Galaxy Z Fold 4, but it is much brighter. When using the Z Fold 5 under direction light, you won't notice any issues, as it has a brightness of 1750 nits. If you've ever held a Galaxy S23 Ultra with the case, Fold 5 will weight similarly to that, which means we are closing the weight gain with a candy bar phone. But let's not talk about Pixel Fold because it's about 30 grams heavier than Z Fold 5. The battery life on the Fold 5 is comparable to that of other foldable phones, but slightly better. It will work all day with a combination of the inner display and the cover display, although if you test the screen on time straight on with various apps, it can last approximately 9.5 hours. This is an improvement over last year's Fold 4. Although the battery size is identical to that of the 4400, a quick suggestion for extending the battery life on the Z Fold 5 is to use the light mode, which maintains the 120 Hz refresh rate. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.